Seeing my students' growth from the pre-assessment to the post-assessment in just 2 weeks was my favorite part about this entire unit. It's crazy how much students can actually retain and understand about what you teach and be able to do so much with such little guidance. It was really an eye-opening experience, and I really do want to showcase these post-assessments because students, like I said, had no guidance. They were just told to use what they learned from the mid-assessment and throughout the whole unit to write as much as they can about the same thing they wrote in that pre-assessment. What do you like better, cupcakes or cookies? So first, if we are going to look at student MS, you will see that they wrote about how they liked cookies. I like cookies because you can get them all of the time. They don't have frosting, and you can get different kinds. My first reason is that you can buy cookies in many places. You can buy them at stores, bakeries, and you can make them at your house. Second reason is that cookies don't have frosting. I don't like them because they are too sweet and too messy. My third reason is there are different kinds. I like chocolate chip, sweet and sour cookies, and Oreos. I think cookies are the best because you can eat them places, they have no frosting, and there are different kinds. So you'll see that this student grew tremendously in just 2 weeks. The first day that we did the pre-assessment, they only had a half of a page and the start of the next page. So it's really amazing that they were able to write almost 3 pages. Look at student GH, you'll see that they also wrote about how they like cookies. They wrote, I like cookies because they are yummy. Some have chocolate chips. They are soft. The sugar makes them sweet. I like how cookies are made. I like making them with my mom. I like mixing everything together. After I make them, I get to eat them. I can eat them anywhere. I can eat them outside. I can eat them at school. I can eat them in the car. In conclusion, I like cookies better than cupcakes. They are yummy. I like how cookies are made. I can eat them anywhere. You'll see this student grew tremendously too. You can see how much they really took in our conversation about using linking words and details, which is really great. We have student AW who wrote about cupcakes. They wrote, I like cupcakes because the frosting, the wrapper, and the flavors. My first reason is the frosting. I like the colors, and it is sweet, and it can have sprinkles. My next reason is the wrapper because it does not get my hands dirty. I also like it because it is pretty. It can be fun too. My last reason is the flavor. It can be vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. I like cupcakes because of frosting and the wrapper and the flavor. I really was so impressed with all of my students and how they were able to write an introduction, give 3 reasons, give at least 3 examples for those 3 reasons, and provide a conclusion. Again, this was my favorite part about the entire unit, as it really just showed me how much the students were listening and how they really were able to connect with the lessons that I taught them.